We've all been there, that heart-stopping moment when your phone slips out of your hand and you pick it up, praying that the screen isn't cracked. Well, that was me. I dropped it on the ice and I was suddenly stuck with what I thought was a cracked screen. I had forgotten I had a screen protector on there, and I was so glad that I had. I didn't want it to happen again, so I started doing some research, and I reached out to Tokel, and they sent me this new military-grade screen protector. They have this really neat system which makes it easy to put on, and it goes edge to edge, and you don't have to worry about the lifting or the bubbles or getting it on straight. It was very straightforward on how to place it on there. Things I like about it is it's HD crystal clear, and so my screen still really looks sharp and vibrant. It doesn't have like a weird glare. It has a really good smooth touch response, and the one thing I've noticed is it doesn't hold fingerprints like my last screen protector did. It actually comes in a 2-pack, so just in case one of them breaks, you'll have a backup, which I really like. So if you've ever cracked a screen before, you know prevention is way cheaper than repairing your screen. So just go ahead and protect your phone and save yourself the stress.